One, two, one, two. Hello, guys. See if everything is all right. Yeah. Good morning. There is quite a probability that we bounce from this area. I'm looking at it for a possibly LJ play here. Let's wait for more people to join. So on traditional market, oil, I have a setup on this one. I will long this W. I'll take this one. Let's see what the markets are doing. So okay, nothing from this one. Oh, nice SFU on DAX. Monday high swept, real nice retracement, quite clean. Look at this. But yeah, it was Asian session. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Asian session played really nicely. 15 minutes close. If you would have taken 5, yeah, nice risk to reward ratio here. Let's say that you taking the closing back inside the range here. Still pretty nice risk to reward ratio. Monday mid range here. Monday low. Nice one. Looking at DXY, this is bullish on 4 hours. This fair value gap, we swept liquidity here. This is the S&R that I was looking at. So this area should hold. And it held. Big fair value gap here. Yeah, I think we're going to take the current year high. So this is the range to play now. It attacked a little bit the fair value gap on the daily. You can see here. But still there's room for more. I'm looking at for an LJ here. I'm looking for the Monday mid-range. So we can have a nice risk to reward 2, maybe even 3 risk to reward ratio on that one, on Bitcoin. So having the XY in this range, we see that on the daily fair value gap, it already started to attack it, let's say. Hey, morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Otto, Christian. I'll be looking at 4 hours. AB equals C to the downside, fill the fair value gap, and then pump. That's most likely probable. Or go directly AB equals C to the upside. That looks probable. And SFU the top. Sweep the liquidity. I took this oil trade, guys, up to everybody. I really like the look of it. On daily, it's looking beautiful, really beautiful. You see the candle closing real nice here. We have a breaker confirmed. Fair value gap on daily. I really like this one. I posted on VIP. Definitely first target would be Monday low, maybe 25 for Monday mid-range if you want to take something. Or move the stop loss at break even at Monday mid-range. But quite clean setup. You see the fair value gap here on 15 minutes was a really good entry here. If you want to take that. If not, easily this area. Let's see. So US oil, I like how it behaves. Sound is too quiet. Yeah, sorry. I was speaking with my face fronting the monitor. Okay, maybe now it's better. Let me know, Carol. On Bitcoin, I don't know, this week it's not on all the exchanges. I want to mention that. Binance has had the biggest liquidation, and that's why it went so much. But we don't. Hey, Paul, morning. We don't have this week on all the exchanges. Binance went like the farthest as it can go. So BitGet, yeah, we don't have that. Woo, I saw we don't have that one. 31, yeah, we don't have that much. So Binance has had the biggest liquidation week from all of them. I expect for that candle to be consolidated at some point. So I really think that they won't leave this candle unfilled, unconsolidated. I'm looking at the 50% out of the 4-hour week. So I'm expecting a retest of 29,380, something like that. Candle body high on 15 and 13, even 1 hour? No. This would be my target area if I'm taking along here, around here. Something like this. But if you want to have a really nice risk to reward, I think LJ would be the best. So previous week high, 900, maybe something like this. I want to retest here actually, because I want to see a juicy, nice W. Forming a lot of wicks to the upside, so I think crypto has a lot of work to do regarding the consolidation of that week. Hello, good morning, Shogun. GBP, let's see. Good area here. But this is a sell model here, quite clear. Now it started. So I think it should do that. And then the next leg down. Quite clear. 12 hours one day. Looks like a sell model here. Liquidity swept. No. So previous month low. This one. Too much liquidity to the downside. I don't have a draw of liquidity here at all in order to frame something on a high time frame. So not even here. So this is 50-50. I wouldn't touch it. While on this one, we have the draw of liquidity to the upside too. Quite clear here. Okay, previous day high, Monday high. So we can expect a sweep of Monday high and then dump. Let's see. Daily fair value gap. Yeah, there you go. So attacking that fair value gap maybe. Even the 4-hour one. We have this breaker area. And having said with the DXY, what I was seeing, probable dump, yeah. And pump from this area, I'm expecting. If not, then I'll wait on premium on 61.8. And then continue to the upside. Yeah, oil is looking good. Not looking bad. Need some coffee. I think just oil for now. Previous day high. Let's see. I didn't check daily on ES. But I had my, there you go. I had my plan done on this one. So we had the rejection exactly as I expected here. Can check DAX, can play something there if it's retesting money high. Had my plans here on, you can see it respecting really well. This area I should reject and dump into the discount in my opinion. So we should look for a short. Yeah, market structure shift, draw of liquidity here, rejecting. Daily open, Monday high. I'll check right now, Rocco. This looks tempting for a short in this area, but not putting my stop loss above Monday high. I'll do something like that. Monthly, previous Monday low. Maybe something like this. Because it can sweep. Yeah, it already did that, Dalmudi. We already have the setup on, posted on VIP. It triggered in the lat 5, and you can see it. We had a retest at London. Let's see DAX. Monday high, 15 minutes swept, and this is ugly. Ugly price action on this one. It looks like a seek and destroy here. I don't know. It can be, but looks like a seek and destroy pattern on this area. So I think it will SFU even this Asia high. Wait for a sweep of Asia high here. Yeah, I was looking at this one. So it would not be wrong to take a setup like this on a 1 hour, in my opinion. Retest of daily open, we can already see some bearish structure here formed already. I think we consolidated 50% of this week, most likely. W. In this area, I would already move my stop loss to break even, to put like that, if we get into this breakers area. But I would target Monday low or even monthly open. Let's see daily. 1 second. One second, guys. Okay, I'm back. So we had really nice rejection here from this area. It can continue more to the upside and maybe get around here at POC and then dump. So I'm looking for that scenario, but that's on a 4-hour time frame. But if we want to get something, I will look at something like this. So let's see, DAX, it's already dumping from that Monday high sweep. But this was the Monday high sweep actually. So you can see we had one here and again retested. I don't know. We can try something like this, Rocco. Monday mid-range. I would give it some space to the upside, in my opinion, for another SFU. Maybe 20, 40. Yeah, something like that. I would give it some space for another SFU maybe. Plenty of liquidity here, so you'll have lots of space to take profits here. 0.3 risk, not going more. If you are taking three trades of this setup, then you will be exposed 1%. So you can see it's strong. We have an entry. Yeah, exactly, Rocco. That's why I said it's quite dangerous on docks right now. So I said I wouldn't take it. This is just for paper purpose more. But I would wait for an SFU here. I would wait for an SFU here. I would not take it at daily open. It would look something like this. But wait for the reclaim. Don't take classic SFU. Wait for the sweep of the high. See, I have the alarm already. And then the reclaim back below. I can see a seek and destroy forming on this one too. I don't know. It's Otto's favorite pattern. Quite dangerous to trade something like this. Now, at least our oil is going up. Bitcoin, I said my plan, wait for an LJ or W on the other side of the trend line. Drinking my coffee. Such a good feeling. I will move my stop loss at break even after we reclaim the daily open. So you have the daily open here and the POC. Reclaiming that one with a 5-15 minutes candle body close above would be a trigger that market just wants to do something like this. Okay, that would be my plan. Otto, you took l'oil? I'm still bullish on the XY. I can see a retest of this area. You can see this was just a deviation. I can see a triple tap forming here. And then pump. You can see pretty clean. If price comes back here and holds this area, holds the range low, definitely targeting the range highs then. Yeah, low time frame. Okay, keeping that in mind. Medium time frame. Let's see. It depends on. Nope, too late. Yeah, it was low time frame sell side. Yeah, I saw that. But we both know oil. What I liked about it, Otto, is that it attacked the daily fair value gap into the breaker with the Monday low sweep. You know, I mean, this is the ideal setup that you can get. Really want to get this. That's why I thought it's ideal. Daily looked very good, 4 hour very good. Yeah, I think you concentrated too much on this liquidity here on a low time frame. When daily was looking really good. This one can go way higher than this. You can look at daily. So we can target even this area. Yeah, no worries at all. We can target even this area here. 6.9 R. You can see the breaker. Maybe even attacking this fair value gap here. We'll see how it develops. Rocco, you took oil? I know you're playing this setup always. Okay, let's ES. So ES, I like this plan. We can even have a sweep of these two highs here, draw of liquidity into this area, into the fair value gap, touch the breaker block, and then go lower. That's a 30 minutes plan. Yeah, nice, Rocco. Yeah, really nice. I know you absolutely love this setup. And you're constantly playing this. This is the edge. Playing it day by day, week by week, because you don't have it daily. You have it weekly. Okay, I was looking at one setup I wanted to post last night. I was pretty busy, but I was looking in the altcoins and I saw Band. Band had really nice setup here. So draw of liquidity here. Even this one equal high, swept all the liquidity. Pretty nice. And even this one. Then then hourly, yeah, liquidity taken out. Big displacement to the downside. But look at this. I mean, I was a greedy goblin, I think, because I was looking at 15 minutes and I wanted to a sweep of these equal highs into the fair value gap. That's one of my favorite setups. Maybe I get an entry. We have equal highs right now, so equal highs sweep into the fair value gap maybe. If not, it's a bye-bye. But it's a trade. It's a really clear setup here. Okay, let's see. And this week to the upside, it's horrible on the selling pressure, the liquidation, that the liquidity that they swept, it's insane. 1 second. Okay, back. Let's see. Let's see. I think I'll take gold out of. I haven't watched gold, and I think this month I'll go for. It's best to, I don't know, pick one pair of Forex and then ES or Nasdaq. Looks like he can destroy here. I don't know if you have an edge on this area. I don't like it. USD CAD. I like this one on low time frame. Let's see daily. And too much liquidity here down below. This was a bearish retest most likely. We have a bearish market structure shift on hourly. Was it 61.8? What the hell? Man, I think it depends on it depends on the prop firm, but like front running the POC and 61.8 was really nice setup here. Quite clean. Oil, it's running. I think Rocco, you had a really nice entry. Let me check Discord because you posted at 8. Really nice, really nice. You have a really nice entry. So your entry is like this, and you can move your stop loss at break even in this point, in my opinion. Nice catch. But you changed your name. I see you have the name S, and I was like, who is S? I knew that you are playing Monday range setup a lot, but I was wondering who's S. Okay, now is the resistance part, daily open and POC. If we manage to reclaim this area, it can easily go for a weekly open for here. 0.5 of the fair value gap weekly open in previous week high. This is an area, a good area to take some profits. And I think we have a premium over there too. Yeah. So around here, half of the take profits. Yeah, I posted. Yeah. Bitcoin is struggling to. We have a W. Oh, shit. So as you can see on Bitcoin daily, if you can see these are my ranges, my S&Rs to scalp on. And you can see in the past this area was support, was resistance, yeah, resistance, support, etc. And right now we are at this intermediate level here, where you can see we had really nice reactions in the past. So we are right here, okay? That's why I'm looking for a scalp long, because I think it's worth taking the risk. We have also a breaker. Let's see the daily. This Monday candle looks horrible on Bitcoin. Yeah, if I'm zooming in, this should be the area to hold on 1 hour. You can see we also have a POC. So maybe go lower, something like this, stop loss below this area. But actually, when price is getting to an area like this, there are two ways that it can act like support. It either takes the low time frame bullish order block, because on low time frame here we have created a bullish order block, like 5-15 minutes, or sweep the liquidity here and go into the 4-hourly fair value gap, like slightly attacking that fair value gap and then pump. So it's quite, but it's an area to look for a long, in my opinion. We reclaim that range. can see that 2-hour candles are sitting inside this ascending channel, so it means it reacts like support and resistance for the moment. I'm quite okay with this trend line. So it looks like a little bit too soon, this one. Maybe something like this. Take liquidity and then pump. This one looks like a bear flag, but whatever. Up to everybody. Let's see. US oil, AVAX. I was looking. Looking at altcoins right now. I think it's. I don't know if it's useless in my opinion because we had that pump, which was absolutely crazy on some of them. Like I saw 40%, 35% pump. What most altcoins will do, just consolidate that week to the upside. Okay, that's what will happen most likely. And you have TAG. Everybody has TAG that can use for that specific um, chasing altcoins. Okay, so if you don't have TAG, you can join our Discord and just DM me, Kevin, Paul. You can join Premium, and then you'll have access to TAG. But after a pump like that, most likely they will require some consolidation. Okay, so yes, and it looks like a good area to short in my opinion. Yeah, really nice SNR, really nice reactions in the past here. Then I'm looking at this area for a take profit. You can see even here, good SNR. So that would be weekly open. Yeah, 2R. That's perfect. What I like about this one is that we have liquidity form, so it can SFU and then dump. We have more resistance patterns here for the price action. The price action can either deviate from daily open, either can deviate from SFU one point or the second one like previous day high. We have the fair value gap, which will react as resistance, and then the last point will be the previous one high. This is how I like to look at this resistance areas. Okay. Euro. Yeah, Euro, guys, I'm eager to short this area, the monthly open. As you can see on daily, we have equal highs, can attack that fair value gap. In the same time, we have, you can see like a seek and destroy pattern, which is quite dangerous to trade. Yeah, this channel was deserted. We have a bearish market structure shift here. So I would look for a short in this area in the premium. Let's see daily. 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hours. Let's see the 0.5 of the fair value gap. Okay, we have a nice POC, local POC here. Nice SNR area. Yeah, that's an area that worth to be shorted in my opinion. And I think it's a 70, yeah, 70.6. I like this area for a short, like definitely. So this is dangerous to short here. It's premature in my opinion. Um, but it's a Monday range setup. What I would do, I would definitely take a short here. I like this area for a short, quite clean, quite of a setup here. Yeah, you can see good point to Rocco here. You see, that's why I mentioned this one is looking ugly on 15 minutes. Really, this is top notch. Seek and destroy, megaphone pattern, trumpet, you name it. I don't think you have an edge on this kind of area. Yeah, guys, if you want to trade with us, we are doing this daily. New York and London, we are streaming on our Discord, on our premium and on VIP area. So it's up to you. If you want to trade London, if you want to trade New York, you can join us. We also run uh, an offer for VIP. We open the enrollments, and you actually, if you're a new member, you will get 1 month and a half. If you're going to, I mean, from the moment of payment, you will gain access. Usually we open access only at the beginning of the month or at the end of the month, and you gain access at that specific time. But now we want to give more time for people to join us. And yeah, if you want to join, you have the YouTube link. You have the website link, and then you can join our community on Discord. I like this one. I always like a sweep of liquidity into an important fib level. So this is one of my setup that I absolutely enjoy. I absolutely enjoy having a sweep into a. Okay, DAX is crossing. It touched it actually. Yeah, it swept the liquidity. Yeah, our Bitcoin is pumping. Now we have a W of 15 minutes one. It will confirm it in 50 seconds. I took a long here, so it's up to everybody. If you want, you can actually take a clean theory studio, and that's it. You can see TUR, it's exactly at the SFU of the high. So it's very probable for the price action to SFU this high. If you want to just get in the market, take the setup, get out, TUR, and that's it. So you can have this, you can put it like that too. I like it. Yeah, this week to the upside requires consolidation. So I think we will create a distribution pattern here on a high time frame. So today it's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Thursday we can see a reversal on Bitcoin, but also we should look at the XY. So if we have a sell model here on 1 hour, that would send us here into the 105 on DXY, and we can have a triple tap. Yeah, I like it. I like this plan. We can go here into this area, retest the lows of the range. You can see really nice range respected here. Yeah, a really nice looking range. So this is why I'm looking at this. It can be a head and shoulder pattern too, but I don't want to call a breakout until we don't have a breakout. So I would call a fake out each time I see a potential breakout. So this would be my plan for Thursday reversal. Yeah, we slowly bleed in until Thursday. You can see that with Thursday it's around it's here as time frame, so we can do a lot of something like this and then a reverse to the upside, and that would bring me to the fact that we can see this we consolidated on Bitcoin, not that much. Tuesday, Wednesday, and we have a Thursday here, and we can have a reversal around this area. But I think we'll slowly consolidate this candle and then boom. Keep in mind that on daily we have location for short. You can see, and this candle closed absolutely horrible. I mean, it closed an SFU of this on Binance. It closed horrible. It closed as an SFU of this point, but I'm not speaking about this ones here. You see, it swept all the liquidity. And also, a lot of people are mentioning this potential head and shoulder. It's a plan. It's definitely a plan. But yeah, we have to play setups. I would not take a daily setup. That's why I don't know. I'm not into such high time frame trading. I have spot. That's my high time frame, but I love scalping. I absolutely love scalping, and it's making big time. It's okay. You should wait more, Rocco, for this one. I think it goes. I mean, it makes this pattern the seek and destroy, but you can wait for a 5 minutes candle. We don't have it yet. Let's see what else we have here. Damn, I have my plan made on capital and not on pepperstone. Oil is fighting with daily open here. If it manages to reclaim, then that's good. I think band is still valid as a setup. We didn't dump, we didn't tag, not even standard deviation one, not even this one or this one. So I still think that we can sweep this liquidity into the fair value gap, like my initial plan. So this setup is still valid, and I'll take it. Ethereum is weak, really weak. Yeah, there was plenty of time here to take the trade, guys, if you wanted. I took it a little bit premature because we didn't have a W. Maybe if we look 3 minutes, we had a W, but now actually you see this is was the W that they pumped from. Okay, US oil rejecting daily open. AVAX pumping, Bitcoin dominance is crazy as hell. You can see this is the range that I was looking at for a deviation, but We don't have it. We don't have a deviation. What actually the price did, it's insane. I mean, look at what the price did here. The price actually reclaimed the area which was resistance, and now we turned it into support. We see here on the 4-hour candle, nice bull flag. Let's see if manages to consolidate this 4-hour candle. Yeah, that would be the top of the range roughly. So we'll see there. But we can see it's pumping. It's okay. We are long Bitcoin. If you have any questions, guys, let me know. Uh, Anything related to trading. Okay. Oil is rejecting quite hardly. Ah, rejecting the daily open like hell. Doesn't want to accept that daily open. See? That's why it's really good to have this have this pinpointed on your chart, because you will know from what created that rejection and why that rejection happened. If you wouldn't have them, then you would say just random level maybe, or something like that. But usually they are not random levels. Let's see, Rocco idea. Yeah, nothing. I think Rocco, you can move your stop loss at break even. You are pretty good in profits right now. I think you're at least three risk to reward on oil. Yeah, DAX I don't like. It's looking like it's going higher. I'm looking at this megaphone, but I don't have an edge shorting this one. Yeah, not too many things to do. Setups are on. We have to wait for them to play out. It's still valid entry on US oil at W retest. Yeah, it's still valid. So this W is this setup is still valid. Previous day low. We can have another sweep, Christian. So we can have another sweep here at the previous day low. And also be careful on um, which prop firm we use, because you have different prices. For example, the stop loss 86.08. You want to watch your exchange. what you use, because you might have a different price. Yeah, that's why I'm not moving stop loss at break even yet, because we can have a retest of this W here in the breaker block, maybe even sweep this liquidity. Yeah, happy, more than happy. I got my plan made, so I really think this will happen here. You can trail. You can take 50% at UR, guys, and then trail, because if Wyckoff distribution will happen, not necessarily we'll have a Wyckoff distribution, but I can see a consolidation up to this candle body high. That would be a 4R, and this S&R here that I have on daily, which you can see a really good area for resistance or support, yeah. And we are retesting this area, which on 2022 you can see really good support here, a lot of resistance and support, and here resistance. So we are retesting that area. Finally targeting this one, but be sure to take some take profits, partial take profits here at Monday mid-range at 29,000, 28,900. But I will look for shorts once we get here. 30K, it's a really important psychological level, and more than psychological level, we have short reload zone, we have a lot of reasons to short that area, but with a setup, not without a setup, yeah, with a clear setup. Damn, Bam, don't tell me that you dump from this area. Hmm. Yeah, nice double confirmed here on an hourly chart, maybe. Yeah, that's a double. I think I'll move my stop loss at the lows, guys. And I think I will add, if we retest this W, and I will add, if you don't know how to do that, don't do that. You will overexpose and lose more, but we are already in a good position, so but I will look for its add here if we are retesting this area in order to have the initial risk. So if I risk zero point 0.5 here, I'll have a 0.25, but I will risk again 0.25 in order to have the initial risk. And then I will have a bigger position, like I will double my potential profits. But do that only if you know how to handle risk management. Don't do that if you don't know how to do that. You can easily break your account if you don't have a clear strategy on how to add to the winning trades. Ethereum is not, I mean, some strong altcoins they are pumping, but Ethereum is not, the big caps, they are not performing that great due to the Bitcoin dominance looking like this. Really, really, really strong. Really strong. We can make a name here, but I don't think so. I think this is just a continuation based on the last two candles. You can see we closed the 4-hour candle here. We swept the liquidity and we engulfed here. This is a bullish engulfing with a sweep of the low. So you can see buying pressure here into this candle body. So I think this one will go higher. That necessarily that doesn't necessarily imply that Bitcoin will pump more, but it can. So you can see Bitcoin exactly like US oil here at daily open. What do we want to see? It's a reclaim of daily open here and go into the Monday mid-range sweep. We also are into resistance here or the short low zone. And you can see we have golden pocket exactly at equal highs. So let's see here. To make, you can make this one risk free in two ways. You can move the stop loss at break even and have the trade risk free, or you can take half of what you have right now, and then basically you will be risk free. So up to everybody how it wants to trail this one. But I'll be looking on reclaim of this daily open and SFU of this high. I'm still looking for a consolidation of this 4 hour candle. Yeah, that's a good plan, Dalmudi. Still long on Bitcoin. We'll see. So stop loss, it's already moved below the week, so the risk was already lowered from the initial raise that we had here, 27,900, I think. Yeah, I put it below these lows. We have it lowered to more up to half of that. So I'm okay with this. Let's see what it does here and see how it reacts with the daily open, SFU of this high, and golden pocket. If I see a rejection, maybe I'll take half. I'll take half. If I see that we close as SFU and wants to reject, I'll just take half and leave the stop loss there, because I want to give it the opportunity. Maybe it goes back and then pumps into my final take profit area. Yeah, or it's wants to go retest again the daily open and the POC. Let's see. Yeah, for the moment we are rejecting daily open. Yeah, not too many things to do right now. The setups are in the market. We need just to wait right now. We have one, two, three, maybe four. That would be it for setups. On Bitcoin, I already mentioned the plan. So it's up to you guys how you want to play this one. We can take partials here or move the stop loss at break even. But I'm still looking at for the sweep of this high. The sweep of this high is what I'm looking for. And then maybe at New York, final take profit there. Don't forget, guys, if you want to trade with us, you can join our Discord group. We are trading daily right there on London and the New York session. And you can join uh, premium if you want to scalp with us every day, or even VIP part where we are where we are focusing on education. We are focusing on ideas and to build to help traders get to the path of trading, and especially in the scalping area, which is the most difficult one. So thank you very much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next session, and we'll see you in the Discord. Bye bye.